बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ कि हाफ टिकट फेस्टिवल को। मैं जूरी का मेंबर भी हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ आप लोगों से मिलने बताने के लिए कि ये फेस्टिवल क्या है क्यों है। बहुत अच्छी बात है कि ऑनलाइन फिल्म फेस्टिवल हो रहा है। इंडिपेंडेंट यंग फिल्म मेकर्स फिल्में हैं ज़्यादा और हमें इंडियन डायरेक्टर्स को मौका मिल रहा है उनकी फिल्में जज करने का। तो ये अपने आप में बहुत ही एक अनोखा सा एक अवसर है, ऐसा हुआ नहीं है पहले कभी।
सर लेकिन ये जो फ्रेंच फिल्म है आपके हिसाब में क्या मतलब जॉनर है इसमें समझ के भीतर है बाहर है या इंटेलेक्चुअल ऑडियंस के लिए फाइट?
देखिए फ्रेंच सिनेमा जो है हमेशा से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इवॉल्व रहा है क्योंकि वहाँ का कल्चर ऐसा है, वहाँ पे आर्ट को बहुत तवज्जो दी जाती है, हमारे जैसा नहीं है।
लेकिन इससे इवेंट्स हैं या फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स हैं ये क्या फॉरेन फिल्म्स का जो मार्केट है वो बढ़ाएगी इंडिया में, क्या आपके हिसाब से क्या उसको होना चाहिए?
हाँ बिल्कुल बढ़ाएगी और इस तरह के यूरोपियन इंडिपेंडेंट सिनेमा का मार्केट बढ़ाएगी। और अब फिल्म एग्जीबिशन के जो है सारे आयाम सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स बदल रहे हैं, नया टाइम आ गया है। तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि हमको अभी पिक्चर हॉल या थिएटर्स की जरूरत पड़ेगा, ऑनलाइन है बहुत बढ़िया।
और ऐसे फिल्म डायरेक्टर इंडिविजुअल कैसे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे अभी इवेंट्स में आना या
मैं मेंबर हूँ जूरी का सर।
किस तरह से आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हो उस चीज़ को?
अब जब आपके सामने आया हूँ बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं शायद यही काम कर रहा हूँ।
इसके अलावा सर
इसके अलावा मैं एक फ्रेंच फिल्म का रीमेक कर रहा हूँ यार।
ओके हाँ तो ये बताइए आगे जैसे
तो मैं खुद एक फ्रेंच फिल्म का रीमेक कर रहा हूँ जो मेरी अगली आने वाली फिल्म है यारा, वो ले लियोनी करके फ्रेंच फिल्म है, उसका ऑफिशियल रीमेक है। हाँ यार इसलिए क्योंकि फ्रेंच सिनेमा आज भी सिनेमा को एक आर्ट फॉर्म की तरह देखता है, उसके पीछे सिर्फ कॉमर्स और सारे उस तरह कमर्शियल एंगल्स नहीं जुड़े हुए हैं। बचपन से फ्रेंच फिल्में देख कर बड़े हुए हैं, तो आज मौका मिल रहा है कि हम एक ऐसी एक जूरी की तरह हम उनकी फिल्मों को जज कर रहे हैं, तो ये बहुत अच्छा, मैं तो बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझता हूँ। क्या कह रहे हैं? बहुत सारी हैं, मतलब फ्रेंच फिल्म नहीं है, फ्रेंच डायरेक्टर्स बहुत सारे हैं जिन्होंने ग्रोइंग अप ईयर्स में जिन्होंने फिल्म की ग्रामर सेट की है। गोदार्ड है, ट्रूफो है, बुनवेल है, शाब्रोल है, रवेत है, बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स हैं जिनकी फिल्में देख देख के हम बड़े हुए हैं। थैंक यू।
Festivals in the market, and one of the festivals which was ready to invest in the Indian market was myfrenchfestival.com. Unifrance, the French embassy, and the French film market as such is looking at India with a different eye, and this is one of the reasons why they were very readily available to come to this country.
Now, I want to know something. How easy was it to get this to happen? You know, I know we can't even get films to release nowadays in theaters, and you got an entire theater here. And we're watching a French film. This is a big deal.
It was not easy. I mean, we are a new platform, and the whole idea was to convince them.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Sorry. So it was not easy because the problem was that there were a lot of ideas culminating from the Indian market. There were other people trying to get the same festival into India. But somehow the Unifrance team as well as the French embassy had confidence in Half Ticket, and they went ahead with Half Ticket.
Well, there are lovely twosome sitting in front of me right now. The names that he's just taken. Christian, Valerie, Anne from Unifrance Films. And applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
This is for the French embassy. Like to win a prize or something.
You have. And they've decided that Valerie will only speak. So Valerie, let's have you speak.
So I'm very embarrassed that we are being thanked because we would like to thank you, Jagdish, for hosting this festival. Just a few words about My French Film Festival, which is an event that Unifrance created 5 years ago. It's a new concept of a festival that's available everywhere for everyone because it's online. You don't have to be in a special place at a special moment. You can just watch your films from your home. But it's still a festival with new films, with new talents, and you, the viewer, you can vote for your favorite film, you can be part of the jury. There is a jury of filmmakers as well, but everyone is a jury. So we believe that that will make more people aware of French cinema, what is French cinema now. And we are so proud and so happy to be present in India for the first time this year, thanks to Jagdish and his courage, because it's very new, so who knows if it's going to work. So we are very thrilled and excited to see if the Indian audiences who love cinema will also love young French cinema.
Well, I think we've got a large audience already here today, so that's already showing the love that we have for French cinema. So thank you so much for coming in.
For being involved and for helping us develop things here. Thank you so much. And I want to thank you everyone for having come to this screening. I hope you like the film, and if you like it, please just let your friends know, let everyone know on Twitter, on Facebook, everywhere, because we really want to reach as many people as possible.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, please, could you take a seat? No, sir, you stay on stage. Fourth member is not here. You are different, and we've got a little plaque for you.
Sir, thank you, sir. This is also
So congratulations on the last release, because it's fantastic. And now that you are here as a jury member, and I did say that you've become one of those directors that people want to say, oh, it's really cool that I know him because he makes that kind of cinema. You've always treaded a different path, and so he's trying something new, Jagdish, as well. Great to have you on board also. You have the largest collection of, he by the way has the largest collection of foreign films, I think, in the history of mankind. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of French cinema as well, sir. Some words of wisdom.
No, I've been part of my French Film Festival earlier, but in France. And I was in the jury last year there in France. And I think it's a great opportunity for cinephiles and film buffs to have access to the films in their home, to have the entire festival in your own home. And this is something that I hope it catches on and it grows. Because the way we fight for screen space, trying to release our movies, and if we need platforms like this, and if this takes off, then we probably can leave our multiplex spaces to the big blockbusters and be happy making films and put.
I'm going to put you on the spot there. How far do you think that we are from releasing a mainstream Bollywood film online?
I think we're very close to it. Mainstream?
Yeah,
we're very far.
Well, okay, you're kind of
a proper movie online, yes, we are quite close to it.
And
happen soon. And within, I think, this year.
Revenue generation still possible, or is it just?
It is absolutely possible. The problem is, we are a country that wants everything free. So outside India, revenue generation is possible. In India, it's kind of a difficult thing. People would still prefer to go and download the movie. So.
As long as you make money. Thank you. Do stay on stage. I'm going to call the other jury member, who's now almost as famous for his acting as he is for his direction. Beautiful film, Tan Singh Tomar, one of the most complete films ever made. Sahib. And some words from you also. Anurag had lots to say.
I'm not as wise as Anurag is, so words of wisdom came from him. I would only like to say that I think all of us, Ketan sir, we filmmakers who are still outsiders and not really part of, though Anurag is now, we all grew up watching French films. We had a nice film club in Allahabad where I grew up, and I saw a lot of French cinema. When I was young, I couldn't understand a thing. But later on, when I went to drama school and, learned more about evolved art and aesthetics and cinema and theater, I could understand it then. And we saw, Godard, Truffaut, Louis Malle, Chabrol, all these great filmmakers. And I think French cinema, why we like French cinema is because France still considers cinema as an art form. We Indians have stopped doing that. And now today, if we are part of this French Film Festival and as a jury member, I really feel proud. I really feel proud.
Since you had mentioned films being an art form, and especially French films, the next gentleman I do want to call on stage truly is an artist as far as cinema is concerned, and perhaps was running against the tide far before your... The struggle is not unique for all three of them. It is shared by all.
Sir.
Words of wisdom have all been spoken. The fact is that it's time to look beyond Bollywood and Hollywood, to liberate ourselves from the tyranny of Bollywood and Hollywood. There is a cinema, enriching, exciting, vibrant cinema being made all around the world. And well, cinema was made to be, supposed to be a window to the world. That was supposed to be the beginning of globalization. Then in front of our window, we had two major skyscrapers, glittering, glistening skyscrapers called Bollywood and Hollywood, which came up, blocking our view to the world. This is yet another window being opened up, and I hope it's exciting, vibrant window, which will... It's time we opened our minds and embraced the cinema of the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the videos on demand will be on www.halfticket.tv. You make sure you check that out. We won't take any more of your time, actually. We've got a film to show. And yes, sir, something else?
The title fascinated me too. In my childhood, I had seen a film called Half Ticket, you know, and I thought it was one of the finest comedies India made in that period. Kishore Kumar's amazing, crazy. That's right. So, yeah, Half Ticket is a good title.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, gentlemen. We'll do a little photo op before we open the screen for the screening.
Yeah, you have to come up. Come up. Please. Thank you. Thank you.